how to edit your name on Telegram app, how to set profile photo or video. To be continued after break. Please keep watching. Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We will explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to edit your name on Telegram app, how to set profile photo or videos. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on the Telegram app. Press on three line which shown on top left. Scroll down till we get setting. Press on three dot which shown on top right. Click on edit name. You can write first name here like this. Write your first name here. Last name is optional, you can write it or not, it's up to you. After that, press on OK. Now we already changed the name. Let's set profile photo by pressing here. Here you have a lot of options. First one, to take photo directly from camera. The second one is to select photo from gallery. Let's select photo from gallery. Let's press this one. Fit the picture which you want, like this. After that, press OK. Now you already set profile photo. If you want to change this photo and upload video, just press again on this icon. Select the video which you want. Let's try this one. You can fit here like this. After that, press OK. Now video loading. Here you can find that video already loaded instead of your picture profile. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment on our video. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.